So good morning, Monday morning to you guys. At first, I wasn't even going to pull out the camera because I just feel so crappy. Well, excuse you, sir. Brokey just tooted. I wasn't gonna because all I want to do is go back to bed. But then I thought, even though I know that my channel is called Surthriving, which just because you have one bad day does not mean that you are not Surthriving, but I thought I'm going to pick up the camera because it's still part of my life and I'm still going to, show the truth. It's not all just easy breezy. And I know that later on, when I look back on this day, I know I'll be proud of myself for how I got through it. So I went back on the Verzenio. Which that part of it seems to be fine, honestly. It's a low dose. I haven't had any diarrhea. It has made me had to have a bowel movement more often, but it hasn't been diarrhea. I don't know. It was just my first 2 doses yesterday. But this morning I woke up and I feel like I've been, I don't know, hit by something. All of my big joints are just aching like a motherfucker. Oh, but my neck down into my shoulders, my knees and my feet are the worst. They just hurt so bad. And I have a headache in the back of my head. So also trying to dealing with both. It makes me feel like waves of nauseated as well. So the hubby just went to get me some meds and drinks and things like that hopefully I can feel better. I can start moving around better. I am working from home, which I know I can't really work yet, but my hours are very flexible. So even if I say that I'm working from home, but I don't work these 8 hours, I could work tonight. I could work as soon as I start feeling better, as long as I put my 8 hours in. So I don't like to do that because I feel like I let my coworkers down when they have to wait. But I also know that when I feel like this, I'm so much more apt to make mistakes, or I don't know, I just I have to put myself and my health first. I do feel bad for work, I do, but I just can't. And I try, it is actually nice out today, and I did try to go sit on the back deck for a minute thinking that maybe just some sun would help make me feel better, but literally within 3 minutes, I was like, no, I'm feeling nauseated. So now I have that. So this is a side of it. Hair looking like he rolled out of bed. Clothes from the same day yesterday. Just not feeling it. I feel like this is my zombie mode. But, see, even that, literally just moving my arm up and down. Oh. I keep saying I'm going to try it with this, and I just keep forgetting. I wonder if I still have some somewhere. But when I took that Neulasta, and it made like every bone hurt so bad, I took, I don't even know what it was. Something for allergies. But it did help. Because it's something like with your histamine. And that's what makes everything hurt. It's like your histamine, I guess. I don't know. Alright. I gotta go.
Okay guys, hello. It is Wednesday. Just got home from work and we are having tornado warnings, and specifically right here in our county. Doesn't happen often, but probably could have more damage due to hail than actually the winds. But I'm gonna try to see what I can record. It's supposed to hit within the next hour. They even let us come home, get out of work a little early, which is unheard of. unheard of in New York State. So we shall see how big of one it is, but I'm gonna walk around and pick up a few things that I can pick up that are loose that I don't want flying all over the place. Otherwise, I guess we're just gonna chance it. Here we go. your soft spot, but as an adult, it's not. No, it's popping out. A little bit. Abdullah, how do you say that? Abdullah, yeah. The water boy. It's the devil. Right, isn't that his mom? That baby? Who's that? Everything's the devil. Uncle Gary, maybe that's why. Get some lip implants. Poor girl is out here delivering in this crap.